excited to just show you this Prosenic Hoover that I've got here. Really exciting. You can see that I have been using it and trying it out, and I'm going to let you know what I think about it. So I'll show you all the bits and then I will show you it in action. So it comes with a few attachments. So you have the normal Hoover head here, which has the brush roll that you can see I've been using. It does come with these two other attachments as well, so you can swap them out. So you just take the one that you want off with this little button here, and it's really simple and easy. It just clicks in and then you are good to go with whichever other one you want to use. This part's really easy to take out as well. You just slide it out and then open it up, tip it in the bin. Really light and easy to be able to just do that and then pop it back in. And then on the back you have the chargeable battery, so you can remove the battery to charge it. So you just push this and it comes out, really light again, but you can also charge this whilst it's in. So it comes with a stand, which I'll show you now. It has this stand here, so you would obviously attach this to the wall and then you can put your Hoover in there with the battery, and then you can charge it directly through the charging port there. And it does also hold the extra attachment, so it's a really nifty little way of storing it away and being able to charge it at the same time. So my favourite part about this Hoover is the LCD display. So I'm going to show you now. You press the button here to turn it on, and then it comes on. You can press this button to change the carpet, and then press it again to go back. Press this one, which makes it go stronger as well, and then press it again to turn off. But what I also love is it has this little sensor here, so when you are hoovering, you can press the sensor and it will turn off as well. I really like that it shows you everything. It shows you the battery power. I'll just show you again there. So you can see the battery power, and you can see what type of surface you are hoovering. So you can press that and it will turn off. So it's really nifty. It's very, very light. You can see I'm literally holding that over my shoulder. It's so, so light. And also I live in a small flat and I can hoover the entire flat on the battery life. So it's great. I'm going to show you another couple of cool features now as well. So I've just sprinkled a little bit of dirt on the floor and I'm going to show you here. So it has this light so that you can see the dirt and pick it up. And you can see how it's just gliding across the carpet. I'm just hoovering my son's room, and I just want to show you another cool feature, the fact that it stands up like this. So when I'm mid hoovering and I just want to stop and pick something up, I can just stand it up and then go back to my hoovering. The last thing I just want to show you here is that it extends as well. So if you're short like me, you can use it this length, but then if you want to extend it, you just push this button and it extends out like that, and then you have a much longer hoover if you want to, and you can reach further away from you.